In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call on Calendly. Let's dive right into it so you can start scheduling your calls with ease. Calendly is an incredible tool that simplifies the process of organizing meetings without the back and forth emails that usually come along with scheduling. Whether you're new to Calendly or just need a refresher on setting up a call, you're in the right place. First things first, head over to the official Calendly website. Once you're there, you're going to see a variety of options to explore. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on logging in. So go ahead and click on the Log In button. Now you'll be faced with several options for logging in. A particularly convenient one is to continue with Google. So click on Continue with Google. This makes the process smoother, especially if you're already signed into your Google account. After clicking that, you'll see a list of your Google accounts, or you may need to sign in if you haven't already. Select the account you want to use with Calendly. This should be the account you use for your professional engagements or whichever calendar you want Calendly to access. Once you've selected the account, give Calendly the necessary permissions it requests. This usually involves allowing Calendly to access your calendar so it can check your availability and avoid double booking. Then proceed by clicking on Continue. This step ensures your meetings are seamlessly integrated into your schedule. Next, navigate directly to your Calendly dashboard by going to the specific URL provided for accessing your Calendly profile. Here's where the fun begins. Once in your dashboard, you'll notice the option to create an event type. This part is crucial because it sets the foundation for the type of meetings you're planning to schedule. Go ahead and click on Create. After that, you'll be prompted to select the type of event. Choose event type to specify what kind of meeting this will be. For our purpose, we're focusing on setting up a phone call, so click on one-on-one, as this indicates you'll be scheduling one-on-one calls. Next, you'll be asked to refine the type of one-on-one meeting. Since we're focusing on calls, click on phone call. Calendly is flexible, allowing you to define the nature of these calls succinctly. Now, amidst the options for how the call will be conducted, ensure that I will call my invitee is chosen. This option highlights that you're responsible for initiating the call, making it clear to your invitees what to expect. After setting that up, it's time to personalize your event by giving it a name. Choose a name that reflects the nature of the call, whether it's a consultation, a feedback session, or whatever suits your needs. Once you've named it, proceed by clicking on Continue. Moving on, we'll now tailor how bookings can be made. Click on Booking Page options. This is where you'll specify the finer details of how appointments are booked, including any questions you want to ask your invitees. Speaking of questions, it's advisable to gather some information up front. So click on Add New Question. This could be anything relevant to the call, but for our scenario, asking for the invitee's phone number is critical. Type in your question, then for the answer type, select phone number to ensure that the response format aligns with your needs. Ensure you click on the box that marks this question as required. This step is important because you don't want to end up with a scheduled call but no way to contact the invitee. Once you're satisfied with the question and have ensured it's marked as required, finalize this step by clicking on Done. This action will save your settings and add the question to your booking page. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a call event type in Calendly, complete with all the details needed to ensure a smooth scheduling process for your calls. Remember, Calendly is a powerful tool that can significantly streamline your scheduling process, leaving you more time to focus on what truly matters in your professional life. Experiment with different settings and see how you can optimize Calendly to best serve your scheduling needs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you feel more confident in setting up your calls using Calendly. Happy scheduling!